Hello, I'm here introducing the Maschine Mikro from Native Instruments. It's a smaller version of the Maschine, and it comes with software and hardware. And I'll let these two producers over here give you a look at how it's done.
Yeah, so, I mean, it's a smaller version of the original one. But basically you can do the exact same thing. And I personally liked it because it fits better here, if you notice. I don't have that much space, so it works out for me. Basically you can do anything on here, and I'll let my friend here show you. DJ Euro, go ahead. Play something for them, brother.
Basically,
Play something.
there's just... It's pretty basic. I mean, there's all kinds of different sounds for it. There's you got your bass. You can use bass. You can use claps, hi-hats, snares. I know a few pretty big DJs that use this. They're pretty massive. They go to massive shows. Most of the people use it live.
It works out for two people too.
Yeah.
You can start playing that. Go ahead. You start with simple beat. And I'm gonna add on something, right? So I'm looking at the sounds I got here, and I just find one, and I just hit it and see if it matches. It's a little range out there. I might just wait a little minute, and then I'll put some more, See, that's the sound I just found, but I like it, so I'm gonna add it on. And it plays, it's good for DJs who are partners, work together. Like Meny and Benazi. And it also works on the ladies.
Yeah.
Right?
Gets you ladies, yeah.
I can
Especially
follow right
when you go to...
So there you have it. DJ 5-Star and DJ Euro. Many more producers around the world. The Maschine Mikro is in stores now.